All right, y'all, that's it. Part 3 for Friday the 19th. We get the seat all ground down, like you saw in the forum there. Cut it out with the death wheel and got it loose. We're going to end up cutting all these flanges down further. It's just a rough cut. They're more going to be like this, about right there, all the way around. Of course, when we pull it out, because I didn't put any wax on the tape, all the tape stuck to the backside of the, you could peel it off, but as you got down right to the nitty gritty, it started coming off in little tiny pieces. So I ended up, as you can see, I had to sand the outside of it anyway, right? So I just took the sander, just sanded the tape right off. So 3 hours or so to put the tape on, another 2 hours to take it off, all because I didn't put wax on. I come over and I looked at all that cut glass laying inside it form, and it just looked happy. It just looked like, let's just go ahead and lay it up. And I hemmed and hawed while I was mixing the resin. I should have took those pieces out and put a coat of wax or two on it, but I didn't. So there you go. Learn a lesson from Big Daddy. If you're gonna lay fiberglass over masking tape like that, use the wax. Use the wax. It's you know, it's no big deal. It all came back off, but in places, especially down in here, you know, you just, where the strips were all the way down, you know, places where there was doubled up, it came right off. So there's another good clue. You don't use big, thick, like green masking tape, painters, automotive spray painters masking tape, which is ideal. It's pricier, but you know, one layer of that, you really can't even see through it. Like with this stuff, you can see where there was 2 layers, right? 2 layers of the cheap stuff from the hardware store is better than one, but wax is better than none. So there you go. Got the old bathtub out. It looks like a bathtub. The thing's huge. Richard says, what are you going to do if that thing doesn't fit in between the engine and the gas tank? And I said, well, then I guess we're done with the go-karts until I lose some weight. Don't know what else to do. It's got to fit. We're going to have to make it fit somehow. So that's it for Friday. Tomorrow, me and Rich are off to go see Gary and drop him off his seat at the Dream Cruise deal out there west of here, out of Woodward. Sunday, I want to get the electrical stuff finished on the trailer. What I'm doing is, well, you know, I'll tell you about it then, because it is a little involved. So as not to muck up this part 3 and tuning up the seat, getting everything done for Friday, we'll just stop there. But that's it. Enjoy your weekend, y'all. To Jim Sobo, who was looking in, I'll let Gary know about the Eddie Rye thing. I'll try to give you a call back, but my phone is botched. It's all busted up. Let me show you. I'll take you out here so you can see the screen is all busted up. You see that? It's all cracked and broke, and a bunch of the buttons don't work. The touch buttons don't work because the screen's busted. And I get a lot of, you're breaking up, Robert. You know, stop moving around. I have to stand right in the middle of my kitchen, away from all the appliances, as far away from my computer and the gas meter as I could get. And then still it's 50-50 whether we start talking and everything's fine, and then all of a sudden you can't hear me. Johnny complains about it in Chicago. Bob complains about it in Cleveland. Calling Richard 2 doors away here. I'm better off just shouting at him out the window because my phone doesn't work so swell. So Jerry's working on getting me the new phone. Hopefully we'll get all that together and I'll give Jim a call. But good to see you're looking in, Solo. Hang in there. Maybe we get you out when it says your seat would be like a mile long, wouldn't it? Because you still. That's it. Hang in there, y'all. Godspeed. God bless. We're praying for you.